Good evening. Galing kami ng town. We are all going back home to the lake house. And still, we have no wifi there. Kaya sa town lang ako nakapag-live. And then, diba today is the Father's Day in America. So, this morning, what are you making sign there?
Father's Day.
Oh yeah, Father's Day. And then church, and then pumunta kami din kumain. We went also to have like brunch, breakfast and lunch.
And what do we do?
What will we do?
It was Father's Day.
Oh yeah. You see, he has a very dirty mind. Because
we took a nap.
I was napping. Tapos ganyan ng ganyan. I'm not sleeping, I'm watching because I'm watching some videos there, pero ang hirap umiikot-ikot. Ang ikot-ikot because ang hirap ng data din sa lake house. You could just imagine, Ken already applied for 4 companies. Different companies. They even sent us already a box for Ken to put the other one, the Wi-Fi, the satellite. But it so happened that there are trees around because that's a satellite. So hindi pa kakets ng ng Wi-Fi. And then the other ones are not yet hindi pa daw pwede sa aming lugar kasi malayo nga. It's how many miles from town?
12.
It's at 12 miles from town. Walang connection. So, yung Wi-Fi, mayroon application si Daddy, pero it will be this next week daw. I hopefully it will work. Mayroon naman Wi-Fi yung kapitbahay namin na pinsan, the cousin of Ken. Already is using his Wi-Fi. But lately, the tribal office is not allowing anymore to connect Wi-Fi. I don't know what's happening. There must be some rivalry or something misunderstanding between the company and the tribal office. So kaya hindi natuloy. So yun, malalaman namin. And thank you kasi I usually go live when we are in town with friends. So nakaka-update din ako sa aming channel. Maraming salamat. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all. Love you all. Bye.